Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, power sunroof, navigation system. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.